Hi friends, welcome back. Hope you all are doing good. Today I've come with an all-time favorite recipe, Dilkush. A big thank you to all of you friends for regularly watching, commenting and liking my videos. It's really inspiring and I would request you to please keep liking and sharing and giving your valuable feedbacks and suggestions. Thank you. It's a delicious bread with sweetened coconut and fruits and nut filling. So to make that, we'll take 100 grams of all-purpose flour and 100 grams of whole wheat flour or atta. Into this 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use ghee also. And we'll mix the oil well into the flour till all the flour particles are coated with oil. We'll make a well in the center, and into this we'll add half teaspoon of instant yeast and 2 tablespoons of sugar, 150 ml of lukewarm milk, half teaspoon of salt, and then we'll mix this using a spatula. If you're using active dry yeast, first activate the yeast and add it into the flour. And then we'll knead using a kneading hook. We'll knead at maximum speed for 4 to 5 minutes till the dough becomes soft and elastic. I've already done many detailed videos on hand kneading of bread dough and also kneading with kneading hooks. I'll put the links in the description box. Now the dough is kneaded well and see how elastic it has become. The dough is a little sticky, but it's okay. Then we'll get a very soft and delicious bread. Take a little oil and bring the dough together and make it into a nice ball, and we'll allow it to rest for about 1.5 hours till the dough becomes double in size. We'll cover it with a cling film or a damp cloth. For the filling here I've taken 1 cup of fresh coconut, 3 to 4 tablespoons of sugar powdered with 4 cardamoms, green cardamom, and 3/4 cups of cherries chopped, and half cup of cashew nuts and 1/4 cup of currant. Add a teaspoon of butter and mix it well. You can use any fruits or nuts of your choice. The dough has doubled in size. We'll punch it and give it a short knead and make it into a nice ball. Add some flour and we'll divide this into 2 balls. One should be slightly bigger than the other. Dust it with some flour and we'll roll it out into a 1/4 inch thin disc. Now we'll transfer the disc onto a prepared tray. I have lined it with parchment. Now let us spread the prepared filling, leaving the edges about 1/2 inch from the edges, and we'll keep the second disc on top of this and tuck it in, pressing it well so that it doesn't open up while baking. Now we'll allow this to rest for 15 to 20 minutes. After 15 to 20 minutes, we'll brush some milk wash. I've taken milk and a little sugar mixed, and then bake this at 200 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. Now the bread is beautifully baked. Our dilkush is ready. It's a very delicious bread, so please do try the recipe. Would love to have your feedbacks and comments. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.